There we go. Yep, and my game's lagging. Like crazy. Now it's time to screen share as well. There we go. Okay, now let's see how laggy it is. Dude, look on Discord.
What? Oh, fuck! You're using OBS?
I don't know. It's just too much. I'm closing.
Bro, dude, just imagine taking the energy drink.
Oh, yeah. Energy drink. Okay, I don't know what to do for an intro. How about you do the
I don't
intro?
even have to do anything.
I don't have my headphones on because I don't want my headphones to be on for some reason. I'm almost up to 100 million coins. I've just been running around in circles. And 100 million. There we go. Let's see if it's laggy here. I think it's because of how many coins we're collecting. Oh, I got 2 trillion.
No, so I'm not even moving. It's not like
that. Okay, sell that. I think I might rebirth. Yep, I'm gonna rebirth. 3, 2, 1. Rebirth.
I got 5. Dude, how much did you get? 5?
Yeah, I got 5.
I got 5 too, so we're gonna be at 106.
Yeah. So I think I've got the best pets in the game right now. Like on me right now. I'm not sure. I'm not trying to flex on anybody, but okay.
Oh, I can get a rebirth pet. Okay. I can get a rebirth coin pet.
Huh. Okay, and I can already buy the last magnet already. Dude, I'm just gonna keep on rebirthing. Like, honestly. It's super easy. 74 billion? Easy, I'll get it.
And dude, you get a cash multiplier too, right?
Yeah.
What was that laugh?
I vomit. Oh.
I just want so many rebirth eggs. Oh my god, I'm getting lots of ghost wolves.
No. 250 zone. Probably give us lots. 50 rebirth zone here. This is where we get all of our coins.
I got a fancy.
I'm just gonna keep on doing run rebirth, and then when I have enough, I'll do the 5. I'll just keep on repeating that.
Yeah, let's just keep on repeating that, right?
Yeah. Okay, I've probably got enough now. Now I'm going to. And now I'm going to sell that. Yep, now I've got enough to rebirth.
Dude, I had enough for like 25. I almost had enough for 25. I should have saved up for that, right?
Yeah, probably. I'm just going to keep on doing 1. There we go. Just rebirth.
I'm just gonna collect till 5.2 billion. Okay? I'm gonna collect that many coins. Should I?
Yeah. Collect as many coins before you get the rusty magnum back. There we go. Now I got the rusty magnet.
I didn't get my rusty magnet back yet.
and now I've got 10 billion already, and now I bought the spirit, and I've already bought the last magnet, and I
This is just the
literally.
rebirth magnets.
This is just easy. Because when you rebirth, you get a coin multiplier. Like, you get money multiplier. So it just makes the whole game easier. I'm just going to stay at spawn because it's going to be easy.
Well, I'm at the rebirth place. So, and by the way, there's a coin thing over here.
Yeah, I know.
There's coins over here, and there's a spend it thing, and it gives you times 2 rebirth. No, not rebirth. I mean times 2 coin.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Good, we figured out a glitch. That's how we got to here, right?
Yeah. We found the glitch. Every single rebirth was for 0 for a moment, so I just clicked on 100 rebirth and it worked. I should have clicked it like 5 times.
That way you would have got to the last thing, right?
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna leave and then rejoin.
No, that won't happen.
Yeah, I'm gonna test it. So, yeah.
I'm gonna go to main hub and see how much rebirth coins I'm gonna get for just doing that. I'm gonna get a few.
My game is frozen right now, so I'm not even leaving it. Come on. No, it's not working. The whole thing isn't working.
What? Well, this is actually way worse. So. Bro, whatever you do not buy the place where it costs 40 something million.
Okay. Now home. Forced to quit Roblox. Quit Firefox. Okay, now time to rejoin. And imagine if it worked.
I'm just gonna unlock every area so that way I can just do the clickbait.
Skip loading. Who cares about loading? No. Didn't work.
I just bought every area
What
in the whole
the?
game.
What? Do I need to quit my pets again? Yep, I do.
Did you thought they were gone for good?
Yeah, probably. Yeah. 2, 3. Okay,
This
it's better.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how many coins I was collecting last time. I think I was collecting like 11,000, 15,000. Oh, my game isn't lagging.
Dude, what if the drum gun comes back?
Oh my god, I'm getting more coins. Oh, apparently somebody wants to trade with me now. I hit a sec, but it didn't work. Dude. You got shiny things for days, so do I. I've got so many MLG bears.
Dude, I'm just using shinies to get all my coins, right?
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna buy tons of meme eggs and try to get all shiny. Oh, I didn't even realize, dude. I've got 94,000 rebirth coins.
9? Oh my, dude, you can probably buy like an extra rebirth hat crate, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna go see what I can get. Normal land. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna buy a psychedelic egg. I got an ice wolf.
Like, dude, should I reset my game so?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna reset it.
Please fix your game if anybody watches this. Whoa! Oh my god, this one's way better! OMG! a super
Oh,
egg.
oh my god. It says disconnected.
Oh my god. Dude. Oh, wow. How good is the ice wolf that I got? Whoa, ho, ho. That's pretty good. I'm gonna get rid of one of the MLG bears. Oh my god, the ice wolf is better than the MLG bear. Wow. How much does the... Oh, it costs 5 million. Wow. Okay, time to go to the 50 mil zone now. I wonder how many coins I'm actually gonna get. Probably 1 million or something. Oh my... Okay, this is a lot of coins right now. This is too much.
It can't connect. Please shut down your game and try again. I think my game's glitched for good now.
Just reset your game. It won't lag.
Dude, it says it every time. I'm clicking it.
Huh. Dude, I've already got 100 million coins. Wow. This magnet that I have is overpowered.
Wait, okay, I'm gonna close my fire. I'm gonna close my thing.
Do you use Firefox?
No.
I do, don't worry, I do sometimes. There we go.
Okay, I got the blue screen of
Oh,
death.
there we go. 2 trillion.
Trillion, I mean. Screen of death. I got the blue screen of death out.
I feel bad for you. Okay, okay, I'm back. I'm gonna rebirth 5 times. There we go, I just rebirthed 5 times. Don't tell me they get rid of my lava rebirth magnet.
Okay, I loaded back.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a parody.
Dude, I'm getting 64,000 from the starting area. Hey, Scotty.
Okay, I don't have my pets equipped. You see that? Did you just see me just run without my pets?
Yeah, I saw you. You're like this. Yep. And then I'm like, yeet. I'm so fast. I'm gonna buy another. Oh, I don't even have my hats equipped. I didn't even realize that.
I didn't realize it too. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna have to put my S key back on, and then I'm going to. Oh my god! It just fell out the moment I put it back in again. Oh my god! This sucks.
Okay. I put all 3 of my hats.
Same here. Equip, and equip. Oh, I didn't equip one. Oh, there we go. I did. Oh my god. I'm getting almost 100,000.
Really?
Each coin in the main area. Okay, now this sign. Oh my god, I'm getting 312. Oh my god. Dude, this is just too much. At least I'm not lagging. Like, honestly. Hey, dude. I think I'm gonna buy some extra hats. That are better.
I think the hats give you speed too, right?
Yeah, they do. And, oh, I just got 1.5 trillion. Instantly. Okay, hats. Okay, time to buy legendary chest. Open another one. Arctic Commando. Oh. I just got Duchess of the Federation. I keep on getting Al Capone.
Yo, dude, my game's not lagging no more. Why?
Well, my game isn't, that's for sure.